Welcome back. In this video, we'll understand what the Kubernetes is. Kubernetes, also known as K8, it's an open source platform which is designed to automate the deployment scaling of the application. Imagine you are running a large restaurant. You have multiple chefs, waiter, ingredients. To run smoothly, you need a system to organize everything. Like who is going to cook, who is going to serve what table, how to use those ingredients, all those things. Kubernetes is like the same thing. Kubernetes is like the management system, which is going to manage the application. At the heart of the Kubernetes, we have the containers. Containers are the way to package an application and its dependencies together so that it can run consistently across different environments. Popular tool like Docker. Managing few containers manually is one thing. But what if you have hundreds or thousands of containers? Managing is very difficult. Now, that is where Kubernetes comes in. It helps manage and orchestrate all the container automatically. Kubernetes has several key components like node, pod, cluster, masternode. We'll discuss each and everything in the upcoming session. Kubernetes help in few ways, like it help in automatic scaling of the application. It also provides self-healing of the application if something goes wrong. It provides load balancing. It also provides storage. This is little bit about the Kubernetes. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.